Thank you, Steve. First of all, it's impossible to say aloha without smiling and bringing a smile to someone else's face. And there's a reason for that, because it has a very deep and powerful meaning in that when you greet someone with aloha, you're saying, I recognize that we are all children of God. We are all brothers and sisters. We are all connected. And I come to you with respect and love and care. And that's really what it comes down to is everyone wants to be happy. And so it's no wonder that we find ourselves in a place where we are miserable and we are stressed out and frustrated when it seems like everywhere we turn, we see politicians, social media, mainstream media fomenting fear and anger, hatred, divisiveness, racializing everything. So when we have leaders who step forward, who sincerely want to do what's right for the people, who care and treat us with respect, allowing the light of God's love to shine through, this is where we see there is cause for hope and optimism and the ability for us to come together as a people to move forward.
Exactly. And just